In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create lookalike audience. Lookalike audience is actually one of the best audience I have used to get fantastic results in the past 13 weeks. So here is how it works. In the last video, I showed you how to create custom audiences, which are people that have interacted with your ad, that have watched your video, that have checked your page, that have gone to your website. So if you look at what you're seeing in the screen, see, the first one is page engagers. The second one is people that have watched my video in the last 365 days. And the third one is everyone who have interacted with my page. Now, if I want to create lookalike audience for any of these audience, what I need to do is I need to check the box for that one that I want to create. So I can check that box and I come to this three dotted line and I click on it. You're going to see create lookalike audience. When you create lookalike audience, there's something that Facebook always do. They give you 6 categories of audiences. So let's just create it so that I can explain. So let me click on create lookalike audience. Now, see this select audience location. Of course, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to click in Nigeria, but please select any country that you are running ad to. All right. So I just selected Nigeria. Look at this place now. Number of lookalike audiences. Number of lookalike audiences. They give us up to 6. So if I click on that drop down, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to select 6. I will explain why I want to select 6. All right. From now, I can come here and just click on create audience. All right. So you can see 1%, 1 to 2%, 2 to 3%, 3 to 4%. How does this affect your business? You know, lookalike audience is people that look like your custom audience, right? So let's assume that people have watched your video and you created an audience of those people that have watched your video. 1% lookalike audience, please pay attention. 1% lookalike audience is the audience that is very close to people that have watched your video. But when you go to 2%, now Facebook is expanding that audience. All right, 2% is still close, 3% is still close, but 1% is the closest. 2% is close. But when you see that 6%, it means that that audience there is actually broad, even though they look like people that have watched your video, but is no longer so close. Why did I create this 6? There's another video I will do where I will show you how to use lookalike audience to run ad. It's not this video, but when it gets to that video, I will show you how I do it. So these are 6 different audiences. And if I'm running ad, I am going to use these 6 different audiences to run ad. I can decide to run it differently. I can decide to put all of them in one campaign. All right. So I just need to quickly create this by clicking on create audience. Okay. So you see, this thing is actually very easy. All you need to do is to click on create audience, and of course, they are going to create it for you. So let me refresh this page. Fantastic. So you can see the lookalike audience is already created. This is for page engagers. I want to create for people that have watched 3 of my videos in the last 365 days. How do I do it? It's very simple. I click on this box so that I can select it. Then I go over here. And of course, if you want to edit it, you can click on edit. If you want to share it, if you want to delete it, make sure that you select the right one anyways, so that you don't delete what you don't want, right? So I can now select this one and I click on create lookalike. Okay, create lookalike, just the same thing. Now, let me explain this. Select your lookalike source. Select your lookalike source. The source you select will be used to find the people who share similar traits. What does that mean? Assuming that I put a page engager here, it means that they are going to use page engager to actually source for that lookalike. All right. But what I'm looking for is people that have watched my video in the last 365 days. So I want Facebook to go out, and Facebook is so good at doing this. The algorithm is so smart. So I want Facebook to go out and find me audience. You know, they will find this audience and put it in one place. And all you need to do is to select it when you're running ad, and voila, you've targeted them. I will show you how to do that in another video. That's why you need to subscribe to this channel. And please, if you're getting value from this video, kindly give this video a thumb up, and you can place a comment so that YouTube algorithm can show it to other people. Okay. Now that I've selected this source, I don't need to remove it. So I just need to, let me quickly select that video view immediately. Fantastic. And you remember that you need to select the audience location. I'm in Nigeria. That I'm running ad to Nigeria. If I'm running ad to Ghana, of course I'm gonna select Ghana. There. If I'm running ad to Cameroon, Kenya, any other country, but for now, because I'm running ad in Nigeria, I'm gonna select Nigeria. Do you understand? So I'm just going to go and select CIS. The reason I select CIS again is because if I select one, they are going to give me just 1% audience. But because I want to maximize it, I'm going to select CIS so that they can give me 6 different audiences. When you put all these audience on Facebook, you might find out that the 1% is not actually working so well like the 3%, because maybe the 1% is very small. Let me explain this again. Because it's the closest audience, it's going to be small. Do you understand? And then the 3% is going to be broader, it's going to be bigger. So when you put this in advert, you might find out that is that one that is bigger that is actually working for you. That is why you need to test all of them. Please do not rely on one. Test all of them. Also remember, the audience that was given you here is not anyhow audience. These are audience that no matter what happened, they must be somehow related in terms of interest. That's why it's called look-alike. They look like those people that have watched your video. They must be somehow related. Maybe those people are watching the videos related to the video those people are watching. Do you understand? These people now that have watched my video in the last 65 days, let's assume the videos they watch on Facebook is mainly real estate. Once I create this thing, all the look-alike that is going to be here, all the look-alike audience here, are going to be somehow related to people that watch real estate video. Maybe they like real estate page, they click on real estate ad. Somehow Facebook algorithm is smart, so I don't need to bother about this. I just allow them to do their thing. I simply create audience, and that's it. This is how you do it for any type of lookalike audience that you want to create. All right. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use all these audience to actually run ad, because it's different from when you are running a normal ad. You don't run it this way if you are running a retargeting ad. Okay. So see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell. Cheers.